This message is being transmitted at the request of the New York Police Department and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. At approximately 2:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a red creature was spotted running around the streets of New York. This red creature alongside a pink and yellow creature was spotted killing people they see. It is recommended to stay in your homes. Lock all windows and doors. If you spot these three creatures, do not go near them as they are armed and extremely dangerous. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.